Welcome to my new apartment. Let's take a tour. The living room, I don't know if it's living. But you do have a walk-in closet. Let's start off with the kitchen. If you don't know and haven't seen in my previous videos, recently moved to Fourways. So this is my new place. I was essentially sharing before, so I'm living alone now, and people requested the apartment tour. So here we are. Starting off the kitchen, we have a gas stove, which is cool because here there's actually load shedding. Where I used to stay, the nice thing is there was no load shedding closer to the how train and stuff, so there was literally no load shedding. So here we have a gas stove, and the nice thing is the lights are connected to the solar, so at least, and Wi-Fi as well, so I won't have to suffer that. When it comes to the space here, really limited space, as you can see, since I have these gadgets here now, and I don't know if they're called, they're appliances, they're not gadgets. So when I have these appliances here, I don't really have a lot to work with, especially when you're cooking. I don't like cooking, so yeah, I guess that's okay. And the nice thing is, as well, is I'm the first to occupy this space, so I don't know, there's something nice about that. So it's a new development, so I'm part of the first people to move in. Only have one sink, which is sad, but okay. Washing machine there, oven, had to remove the papers and all of that. It's nice moving to a new place that no one has lived in before. Then you have my fridge here, which I picked out so nicely because it blends in with the rest of the things. I didn't have a fridge, by the way, because I was sharing. I had the microwave, I had the washing machine, so here at the fridge we're sharing stuff. There was no need for me to get a fridge. We didn't cook that much. So yeah, moving here, yeah, the pockets got dry. The pockets got dry for real. But other than that, really nice kitchen, nothing to complain. Love the finishing. The only thing I can complain about is the space. And the nice thing here as well, I didn't know that these things have a soft close, so you can just push it and then it will close itself. Basically all of them, even the ones that are here, yeah, they have the same thing, which is really dope. Nothing to complain here. Let's move into the living room. Welcome to the living room. I don't know if it's living, sitting room, whatever you call it. Yeah, welcome to it. So yeah, there's a bit of space, not quite a lot, but I think I like that it's a bit spacious. If you come this side, you'll see obviously we have the couch this side, and then where I'm currently standing, there's a bit of like unused space that I'm gonna make kind of a storage space here. I'll do that on the next video. Stick around, you're definitely gonna see. Do have plans for this space. That's my camp chair right there. Then of course we have the coffee table here. Nothing much going on, just my wine and the match. Remember, link in the description for match, get yours. And if you come this side, and then you'll see we still have our TV, our known and loved TV. Nothing has changed this side. And of course, in the corner we have our working station. Now let me introduce you to the working station. So this is the workstation. If you see, we have a new chair. We have a new chair. If you take a look, you will see that it is an ergonomic one. So I got this chair from Decofen. It's an economic luxury chair. Very nice, you can see. I did a short review on TikTok. If you want to see it, follow me on TikTok. Still my name and surname. Back support, yeah, you know, even the arm support, really good on the sides and all of that. So yeah, I went for kind of like a white aesthetics. So really love the chair, very comfortable, can sit here for hours. And we moved to the table. They upgraded the table as well, sold the previous one, and now we have a standing table. Let me quickly show you. Cool. This is how our setup currently looks like, and you'll see the cable management not so good. I've already ordered something from Takealot to sort that mess out, and we're still using the old keyboard, which is something that yeah needs to change as well. We're gonna go wireless here as well. This is a standing desk. You'll see now we have this. It goes up, it goes down. It has 3 presets, and you can set the height to whatever with your smaller nyana. What's this thing? How does this go? Cup holder. Yeah, so you have your cup holder there. Cool, nice stuff. And we still have the same monitor and everything else. We're gonna upgrade this as soon as we can. And let me just set that on. back to where it was. It's not that loud, but yeah, it does take some time to get up there. So that's what we have for the setup. So we're going for like kind of like a white aesthetic nyana, and yeah, so far not bad at all, not bad at all. Still have plans for the wall, some art that's gonna go there and all of that. Stay tuned, you will definitely see the upgrade. The first thing that will start take care of is upgrade the keyboard to a mechanical one, and then sort out that cable management there. Yeah, so that's mostly it in the living room. Just yeah, some free space and whatnot. And there's our new working station. So far it's not bad. I like it, I like it. Definitely like the aesthetics. The bedroom has nothing much to show, but you do have a walk-in closet, smaller walk-in closet, lot of space, hangers right here, nothing much crazy, but yeah, that's cool. Having the space is really nice, I guess. Let's check out the bathroom as well. We're in the bathroom and there's nothing really crazy here, nothing much to show, just the normal stuff. We just have the sink, then we have some storage, which is really limited. I feel like they kind of chipped out there. We have the toilet, of course, it is ensuite. As you can see, it's just a sliding door next to my bed actually. And then you have a shower. The shower is actually quite big, and a mirror. No storage behind, just a mirror. One storage space is really limited for the bathroom. That's my only concern here. And they didn't provide blinds. This thing now shines too much in the morning and actually will wake you up because it's next to the bedroom, if that makes sense. Yeah, I feel like they could have provided some blinds there, because now you have to find your own solution. But other than that, that's the room tour. Nothing too crazy. The bedroom is also spacious. Yeah, that's mostly about it. Didn't even show much of it, but that's the bedroom. Nothing crazy there. And yeah, that's it. Walk-in closet there. You have the bathroom here, which you can close. Yeah, actually it was a bit too I like really bled it out. It was not like this, it was kind of see-through nyana, but I bled it out. And there goes the shower, big enough that I can't complain. Storage, not enough. I hope you enjoy the video. There'll be an update coming up in the next week. I have a few things that I want to change, and they're already here, but you can't see them. You'll see them on its side. So thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe if you want to. Yeah, it's not by force, nah? You can subscribe. Cool. See you on the next one. Cheers.